Today I'm doing a review on the Tech Tools Nightlight Wall Switch. This comes in a 2-pack, and it is disguised as a standard wall switch. It requires 3 AAA batteries that just goes into the back side of it. There's also adhesives on the back. So as you can see, you can just take that off to stick it to the wall, or there's also included in the box is the hardware. Now let me find the right piece here. The hardware that has the screws and to be able to go into the wall to be able to hang it up using that. I know I've had other things that use the Velcro or the adhesive like this, and they don't stay on indefinitely. So that's a really nice feature to have the ability to be able to screw it up. It's a nice looking switch. It would fit into any kind of decor. Solid white, and all you have to do is flip the switch to turn it on, and as you can see, it's a really decent light. There's 8 long life LED lights in here. I really like this set, and I hope this provided enough information to you. Thank you.